Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building an Image Generation App. Your AI Artist in Action. Imagine telling a computer, draw me a cat wearing a spacesuit riding a skateboard on Mars, and it actually creates that image. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's generative AI. In this lesson, we're going to demystify how these amazing AI artists work and understand the steps to build your very own image generation app. No prior AI knowledge needed, we'll start from scratch. Before an AI can draw, it needs to understand what an image is. For a computer, an image isn't a picture like we see it. It's just a giant grid of numbers. Each tiny square in that grid is called a pixel, and each pixel has numbers representing its color, like red, green, and blue values. So, when an AI sees an image, it's actually processing millions of these number combinations. Think of it like a paint by numbers canvas where each number tells the computer exactly what color to put in each spot. How does an AI learn to draw? Just like a human artist learns by looking at thousands of paintings, our AI artist learns by looking at millions of images. We feed it a massive collection of pictures, e.g., a dog, a tree, a house, along with descriptions of what's in them. The AI's job is to find patterns. When I see these pixel numbers, it's usually a dog. Over time, it learns the rules of what makes a dog look like a dog, a tree like a tree, and so on. This process is called training the model. Most early AI was about recognition, telling you if a picture was a cat or a dog. Generative AI is different. It's about creation. Instead of just identifying patterns, it learns to generate entirely new patterns that look realistic. It's like an art student who has studied so many paintings that they can now create their own unique masterpieces, not just copy existing ones. Our AI artist uses the patterns it learned during training to produce something completely new, based on your instructions. Today's most powerful image generation AIs often use something called diffusion models. Imagine starting with a blurry, static-filled image, like an old TV screen with no signal. The diffusion model then slowly, step by step, removes the noise and refines the image, guided by your text prompt. It's like having a digital sculptor who starts with a block of clay, the noise, and gradually carves out the detailed image you asked for, making tiny adjustments over many steps until it's perfect. This iterative refinement is the magic that brings your text prompts to life. As developers, we don't need to build these complex AI models from scratch. Instead, we use tools and services provided by companies like Google, OpenAI, or Stability AI. These are often called APIs, Application Programming Interfaces, or SDKs, Software Development Kits. Think of an API as a restaurant menu. You tell the kitchen, the AI model, what you want, your text prompt, and it cooks up the dish, the image, for you, without you needing to know how they cooked it. We'll use these APIs to connect our app to the powerful AI brain. Let's outline how your app would work. 1. User input. A user types their creative prompt into your app, e.g., a futuristic city at sunset. 2. Send to AI. Your app takes that text and sends it to the AI model's API over the internet. 3. AI processing. The powerful AI model, the artist, processes the prompt and generates an image. 4. Receive image. The AI sends the newly created image back to your app. 5. Display output. Your app displays the generated image to the user. It's like sending a message to a remote artist and getting a masterpiece back. You've now got a solid understanding of how AI image generation works and the developer's role in building an app around it. This is just the beginning. With these foundational concepts, you're ready to dive deeper into specific AI models, experiment with different APIs, and start coding your own projects. The world of AI is your canvas. Go create something amazing. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.